Hi guys, so here you see that this is a popular video that many of you have seen in OpenAI SORA official website. So I have taken the same prompt from their official website and I have pasted it here, and you see that I got a similar type of video, and it is amazing, right? Now one thing is that this is not a full version. This is basically a preview version from their official website. So here you see that if you go to their Twitter account, they have written currently available as a preview model on GitHub, Hugging Face and fal.ai. And yes, if you want to test this, I have given the link in the description box, or you can search on internet that fal.ai LTX video. So here you see that LTX video, this is the model name, and here you will get the advantage like text to video and also this image to video. So they have both the option, and this is completely free. Here you see that I have pasted it here, and click on this run and it will generate the complete video, and it will take only 2 to 3 seconds to generate the video. Okay, so here you see it has generated the same thing, and also they have mentioned that once the full version is released, it will be free for both personal and commercial use with integration into LTX Studio coming soon. Okay, so they have just published the preview version, and this preview version is already amazing. So when they will release the full version, it will be much more similar to other AI generation model. So here you see that some of the videos from their full version they have published on their official Twitter account. So this is amazing, right? So you see, this is amazing, and the main thing is that this is completely open source. You don't have to pay any money like the SORA. Okay, although SORA have not published any model, and here you see that they are publishing this free model. And here you see that Elon Musk is saying that hopefully AGI next year, 2026. So in one of the live stream he actually told this. So here is the video I am playing.
2026 at the latest for AGI. Latest. I hope it's nice to us. I think future wars.
So he's saying that AGI will come by 2026, right? So we have to be prepared. And as you see that some of the companies are actually dropping their best model for the video generation, image generation, and they are completely doing it as an open source. And if you follow my channel, you already know that I already covered many AI code generator video. Okay, so if you have not subscribed this, please make sure to subscribe this channel, because you will get important videos from this channel. Here you see that aid ID, go to this online AI code generator, open hands, DeepSeek are online. I have covered many of them. Okay, now another thing is that there is a most important news, which is OpenAI considers taking on Google with browser. Okay, so actually we know that OpenAI already have a search feature they have introduced, and already they have hired X Chrome developers. Here you see that OpenAI hire X Chrome developers to build a Chrome similar type of browser like Chrome. Okay, but it is still in the early process, but they will develop within a upcoming 2 years, right? And here you see the OpenAI in talks to the Power AI features on Samsung device and competing directly with Google. Okay, so something much awaiting things that will come. Okay, so for that, please make sure to subscribe this channel. I will cover each and everything. And by the way, I have given their link in the description box. Please try it with your prompt and see that how it is generating the video, right? So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and when they will publish the full model, then I will make another video and I will also show you that how to install it in your local and how to explore it, right? So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.